How are y'all doing? With the global health crisis, I realized I'm not listening to as much music as I used to. Now I still listen to music, but admittedly a significant portion of the time that I'm listening to music is done while driving around from place to place. Well, I'm clearly not going anywhere, so I thought, how can we make music more appealing? Personally, I listen to my music on Spotify, and there's one feature that would make them absolutely perfect. A visualizer. I mean, you just look at YouTube channels like NCS. They've been making videos for almost a decade now. They have 30 million subscribers and 9 billion views. Look at that. Look at that. Do you think that they get all these views because the music's, I don't know, good? No. It's because they're giving our monkey brains something to look at. So now we know what we want to build, but how are we going to build it? So I came across this pretty cool library. I am so sorry. So I came across P5JS, which is a JavaScript library for creative coding with a focus on making coding accessible and inclusive for artists, designers, educators, beginners, and anyone else. Hold the phone. I don't feel represented. There we go. Now with P5 to easily draw in the browser, and the P5 Sound Library, I think we have all the pieces we need. So we take the music, analyze the sound, map it onto some visuals, and boom bada bing. We got the bars, we got the waves, we got that sick looking color scheme. Look at the top, we even got the moving song title. But wait, there's more. You go down here and boom, just look at my beautiful voice visualized. Well, but Greg, this looks cool. How did we actually do this? Well, in the P5 Sound Library, there's a function that runs an FFT, or fast Fourier transfer. Do I know what that means? No. But what I do know is that it basically takes our sound file, or input, divides it into different ranges of frequencies, and then returns a number which represents the amplitude or volume of those frequencies. And all you need to do is map it to the different lines, where each line's length corresponds to the volume of the frequency range it corresponds to. The waveform itself is pretty easy, since all we have to do is use P5's waveform function, and then wrap it around in a circle. And that's it. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Like or subscribe if you like these silly type of videos, and hopefully I'll see you on the moon.